If you've ever walked into bright sunlight and immediately sneezed, you're not imagining it. About 1 in 4 people have what is called a photic sneeze reflex. It happens because the nerve that handles vision, the optic nerve, sits close to the fifth cranial nerve, which can trigger sneezing. So when bright light suddenly fires up your optic nerve, the signal can spill over and irritate that sneeze pathway. And yes, it can run in families. So if sunlight makes you sneeze, congrats. Your wiring is just a little cross-connected. And that's today's episode of Clinical Curiosities. If this video made you think, I have posted a free guide at edwriter.com.